Hey there, EGGGRAM fans. Today, we've got the freshest updates from the crypto world. From ETF applications to groundbreaking developments in blockchain, let's crack these stories wide open. Let's start in the US, where the SEC is reviewing 13 new crypto ETF applications. These funds are focused on coins like Solana, XRP, Litecoin, and HBAR. Could this be a new era for crypto investment? Only time will tell. Next, analysts are predicting a big shift in global crypto markets as BRICS nations move toward central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. These regulated digital currencies might reduce the demand for stablecoins. A fascinating development. Crypto payment gateways are becoming a must-have for businesses. By accepting digital currencies, companies are adapting to modern financial trends and offering customers more ways to pay. The future is digital. Over in South Korea, Bitcoin prices dropped on local exchanges following the president's announcement of martial law. This unexpected move has shaken investor confidence. Let's hope for stability soon. As 2024 comes to an end, we're seeing mixed results in the crypto space. Some coins soared, while others, like Arweave, faced significant losses. It's a reminder that the market is always evolving. XRP is stealing the spotlight, nearing the $3 mark. This rally has sparked interest and speculation. What's driving this surge? Stay tuned for more updates. Political events continue to impact crypto markets. The announcement of martial law in South Korea has led to a noticeable dip across the board, a reminder that geopolitics and crypto are deeply intertwined. Finally, some bold predictions for XRP. Analysts believe it could reach $271 by 2025. Optimistic? Maybe, but it's exciting to think about the possibilities. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember, EGGGRAM isn't just a game, it's your gateway to the future of crypto. See you next time.